Hello and greetings to everyone. Today we are to treat the uses of statistics. Take down the heading, the uses of statistics. Take this down. Statistics is a powerful tool used in various fields to collect, analyze, and interpret data. Below are some uses of statistics. Okay, the first use we have informed decision making. This is the first use of statistics. When we talk of informed decision making, businesses use statistical analysis to make informed decisions based on market trends, customer behavior, and financial data. Also, governments use statistics to formulate policies, to allocate resources, and to assess the effectiveness of government programs. We take the next one, the next use, we have two, medical research. Statistics is very useful in medical research. It is crucial for testing the efficacy of new drugs, understanding disease spread, and evaluating treatment outcomes. Also, clinical trials rely on statistical methods to determine the effectiveness of treatments. Take the next use 3, we have quality control of goods. In the manufacturing of goods, statistics is used to monitor and control product quality, ensuring that the products they meet the required standards. Also, statistical process controls and helps identify the variations in the production process of goods. We take the next use 4. We have predictive analytics. Predictive, that means to make predictions. Statistics is used to build predictive models that forecast future trends such as sales forecasts, weather predictions, and stock market movements. Also, businesses use these predictions to strategize and plan for the future. We take the next use 5. We have social sciences. Most social sciences they make use of statistics. For example, sociology, psychology, and economics. They make use of statistics to understand human behavior, social trends, and economic phenomena. Also, researchers make use of statistical methods to test hypotheses and to draw conclusions about populations. The next use we have six, which is sport analytics. Most sport teams and analysts they make use of statistics to evaluate the performance of players and to strategize game plans and to make decisions about a game. Seven, the next use we have in finance. Statistics is very useful in finance. Statistics is used in finance to make risk assessments, to make portfolio management, and financial forecasting. Analysts use statistical models to evaluate investment opportunities and to manage financial risk. The next use of statistics, we have it in public health. Epidemiologists use statistics to track disease outbreaks, to identify risk factors, and to develop intervention techniques in case of an outbreak. Also, public health statistics helps in planning and evaluating health programs. We take the next use. 9. We have marketing. Marketers make good use of statistics to understand customer preferences, segment markets, and to measure the effectiveness of marketing campaigns so as to improve their business sales. The next use we take 10 in education. By making use of statistics, it's very easy to predict the performance of a student. Statistics is used in educational research to assess student performance, to evaluate teaching methods, and to identify the areas of improvement. Also, standardized testing and educational assessments all rely on statistical methods. We take the next use of statistics, 11, which is environmental science. With statistics, it is very easy to make environmental predictions. For example, it is very easy to predict whether a given mountain at a geographical location will erupt after a certain period of time. Or it is very easy to make predictions about global warming. Statistics is used to analyze environmental data models on climate change and to assess the impact of human activities on the environment. For example, the usage of fertilizers can be monitored by making use of statistics to know the environmental impacts. Also, researchers make use of statistical methods to identify trends and to make predictions about environmental phenomena. For example, an area which is located along the coast, predictions can be made by statisticians whether the area will be flooded after a certain number of years. These are some of the uses of statistics. If in case you have any questions on this, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. You stay tuned for our next topic, which is on descriptive statistics.